everyone. It's Monday, May 4th today. I hope you guys had a great weekend. It was beautiful. The weather was awesome. So I hope you all got to spend some fun time outside. All right, announcements for this week, and there are a lot. So let's get going. We're going to start with our birthdays this week. Happy birthday to Hudson H. in Mrs. Fox's room, Aria A. in Mrs. Andrews, Reed B. in Miss Staley's, Logan S. in Mrs. Heeman's, Aspen F. in Miss Darcy's, Owen G. in Miss Stadler's, Brooklyn K. in Mrs. Jack's, Silas L. in Miss Vitine, Annalise R. in Miss Darcy, Coraline O. in Mrs. Jack's, and Brecken M. in Miss Stadler's class. So happy birthday to everyone that's having birthdays this week. And we'll keep updating each week so that we make sure we can say a happy birthday to everyone who's having birthdays. All right, let's do our pledge, and we'll put our hand on our heart. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, and the winner is, so our voting question last week was your favorite berry. So I'll tell you, my vote was for raspberries. That's my favorite berry, but guess what? That was not the winner this week. The winner is strawberries. A lot of you love strawberries. Blueberries came in second and raspberries came in third. So I have a new question this week. What is your favorite vegetable? Carrots, celery, or broccoli? And I know what I'm going to vote for, and I won't tell you until next week. But let's see what your favorite vegetable is. The link to vote is going to be a separate link in this message. Your moms and dads can help you. All right. This is a special week. This week we are celebrating our teachers. And it is Teacher Appreciation Week. And so I have a message here. It says, Dear teachers, you're awesome. So we are going to go through and celebrate all of the amazing, wonderful teachers that we have here at Byram Primary. We're going to start with our kindergarten teachers. Mrs. Allen, Mrs. Atkinson, Mrs. Barstead, Miss Bauman, Mrs. Benzick, Mrs. Boyum, Mrs. Blum, Miss Darcy, Mrs. Hatton, Mrs. Prings, Mrs. Pompey, Mrs. Schneider, and Miss Staley. Our fabulous kindergarten team. We celebrate you this week. Thank you for all you do. Our first grade teachers, Mrs. Fox, Mrs. Heeman, Mrs. Johnson, Miss Leahy, Mrs. McKay, Mrs. Schottenecker, Miss Stadler, Mr. Whalen. We celebrate you this week. Thank you for everything that you've done for our first graders and their families. We appreciate you. Our second grade teachers, Mrs. Andrews, Miss Vitine, Miss Darling, Mr. Hoppenworth, Mrs. Jacks, Miss Shanahan, and Miss Taylor. We appreciate everything you do for our second graders. Thank you for being awesome. Our special education teachers, Miss Foster, Miss Mackin, Mr. Moroshik, Mrs. Payne, Mrs. Wiest, Miss Wells, and Miss Winslow. Thank you for supporting our students. You are awesome and we appreciate you this week. And our specialist teachers and preschool teachers here at the primary. Mrs. Anderson, Mrs. Demmer, Mr. Halder, Miss Hoffman, Miss Skoglund, Miss Smith, Mrs. Smithers, Mr. Risso, Mr. Esser, and Miss Don. Thank you for everything you do for all of our kids and their families. We appreciate it. We cannot say thank you enough for everything that all of our teachers do day in and day out. And although we cannot be together in the building celebrating, we are still going to find ways to celebrate you this week. So thank you again. We also have another special day this week. It is National School Nurse Day on Wednesday, May 6th. So thank you, Nurse Jen, for everything you do for our kids and families. We love you. We are so lucky to have Nurse Jen at the primary school. So thank you, Nurse Jen. And although we can't maybe be together to celebrate Nurses Day, we are certainly going to be thinking about you. Okay, we had our Cubs of the Quarter, and I just want to celebrate all of the students who were our third quarter Cub of the Quarter kiddos. And these are all of our kindergarten students. Eli, Jackson, Liam, Greta, Lena, I'm sorry, that is a misspell. Connor, Carter, McKenna, Cheyenne, Christian, Shaylin, Diego, Nate, Evelyn, Kinley, Serena, Zach, Edwin, Amber, Aspen, Zoe, and Julia. And again, I'm really sorry, it's Lena Odekirk. So congratulations to our kindergarten students for Cub of the Quarter. Our first grade students, Sophie, Grace, Brenna, Simon, Ellie, Ava, Lily, Isaiah, Tommy, Jack, Easton, Logan, Mason, Madeline, Landon, and Rebel. Congratulations, third quarter Cub of the Quarters. And our second graders, Rosie, Arav, Lauren, Addison, Christian, Lauren, Harper, Logan, Lucas, Adelaide, Caleb, Josie, Mason, and Berkeley. Congratulations. We are so glad that we were able to still celebrate Cub of the Quarter, and a big thank you to Bear who came in to celebrate with us. So congratulations, everyone. All right, remember to be stars. Even though we're learning in a different way right now, we still need to be safe, show teamwork, take pride, be responsible, and show respect. And as always, there's our primary school song if you would like to watch it. All right, I hope everybody has a great week. Again, boys and girls, make sure to reach out to your teachers this week and let them know how much you appreciate them. You're always welcome to send Nurse Jen a message on Wednesdays. Your moms and dads might be able to help you with that, or you can send messages to me and I can get them to her. So, all right, everybody, have a great week. Take care. We miss